Hey everyone! Welcome back to our series on lesser-known tips for general healthcare. Some of these were puzzling. Yeah, not what you'd expect. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
While it's true that olive oil is packed with health benefits, cooking everything in it can in fact have negative consequences for your health. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can help lower cholesterol and enhance heart health. However, when it's heated to high temperatures, it can release harmful compounds that can increase your risk of cancer and other diseases. Chess puzzles can be a marvelous way to improve your health. They can help enhance your cognitive skills, memory, and problem-solving ability. In addition, chess puzzles can also help relieve stress and anxiety. The benefits of chess puzzles are numerous, making them a fantastic activity for people of all ages. If you are on the lookout for a way to improve your health, chess puzzles may be the perfect solution. Making new friends can be good for your health. According to research, people with vigorous social relationships are more likely to enjoy better overall health, including higher levels of mental and physical well-being. Good health isn't simply about keeping a healthy lifestyle. It's also about having strong social relationships. So if you're looking to enhance your health, making new friends can be a good start. Eating melons can be good for your health in many ways. This delicious fruit is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost your health. Melons are a great source of vitamin C and A. These vitamins are important for immunity, skin health, and eye health. Melons are also a good source of potassium. Potassium is an electrolyte that helps regulate blood pressure and heart function. Melons are beneficial to your health and well-being, so include them in your diet.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.